Hi there, students. Profane, an adjective. To profane, a verb. Profanation, the act of profaning. And profanity, a noun as well. Okay, if something is profane, nowadays we use it to say that it has no respect for God or for a religion. And it's often used to talk about language. He used profane language, insulting God. They also use profane to mean rude, sexual, dirty, something like that. So he made profane jokes using profane language. It's not clear if this is against religion or if it's just using foul language. So if something is profane, particularly words, they are offensive because they don't respect religion or because they are rude. Yeah, the words he wrote are too profane to print, but they were very, very funny. Okay, so profane, insulting to a religion, or dirty. Let's see, you can also use this adjective profane. I think in the past, profane just used to mean something that was not concerned with religion, that it didn't have religious purposes. So you had the things that belong to the church, and then everything else is profane or secular. Profane also in that sense means something that is ritually impure, it's unholy, yeah, or something that desecrates, that profanes a place, yeah. Okay, so profane language. This is a very common collocation. Profanity. Profanity is rude language. So he's always using profane language. It's offensive. It's inappropriate or lewd. Yeah? It's evil, godless and impious. It's obscene and vulgar. Please don't use profanities like that. If I use profanity in YouTube, normally my video, it doesn't get censored, but they refuse to run advertisements with it in case their advertisers get upset. Yeah, if I speak profanely, then they don't like it. Okay, so something that's profane is offensive and rude because it doesn't respect either the social norms of language, yeah, something obscene, or it's debasing, showing lack of respect for religion or for a god. Okay, so yes, as a verb, to profane, to make dirty. Yeah, so I don't know. There were several graves that had been profaned by extremists, extreme right-wing followers. Okay, to profane. Putting ketchup on my wonderful roast beef is profane. It's profaning my wonderful cooking. Yeah. Okay, so you could use it metaphorically like that as well. So, profane. How formal is profane? I think I'd probably give it a 6.5. Profanity as well. You could just about use it in an informal conversation, but I think profane, unholy, desecrating, rude, dirty, vulgar or lewd, swearing, something like that. And to profane a regular verb, the enemy profaned the temple. They have profaned all the temples in the city. And then again, originally profane just meaning not religious, non-religious, secular. So you have religious authors and profane authors. Okay, and then, yes, and as to origin, well, it comes from Latin. You've got a word profanus, meaning not religious or unclean, pro, before, and fanum, the temple, so before the temple, yeah, not in the temple itself. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Profane, profanity, profanely, profanation.